Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to install the Microsoft Edge browser and it shows unable to connect to the internet. If you use a firewall, please allow list Microsoft Edge update.exe. So how to fix this error? And here I show the very simple method to fix this issue. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Google Chrome or any other web browser and then click to access this Microsoft official web page URL and then scroll down. So here you can select your channel or version. So I try to select stable 85 and this is latest update and the next one is built. So here you can select the same first one and the final one is platform. So here I using the Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So I try to select Windows 64. So once you select these following categories, finally you can click to download this new Edge browser. And it asks for terms and conditions. So you can click to accept. So now my Edge starts to downloading. So once the downloading process is completed, now I try to install this Edge browser. So finally you can see now this time my Microsoft Edge browser is successfully installed in my Windows 10 PC and it does not show any other error notifications. So this is the way you can easily install your Windows 10 Microsoft Edge browser by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box and thanks for watching.